Hi, Tracy Sews, Tracy McElfresh here with sewing tips in under a minute. Today I'm making curtains for Wright Memorial Library. Absolutely love the place. I used to work there. Very excited when they asked me to make curtains for their puppet playhouse. I'm replicating them. I asked them to go ahead and get me some bias tape, and they did for the curtains because we want an exact replica of what we made before, but it's a little bit too wide. So today's tip is about bias tape. When I went to go around the corners, it got all lumpy around this curve because it's pretty much the width is too wide. If it was narrow, it would spread around there. So today's tip is if you have wide bias tape, you can actually cut it down to any size. Look how wide this opens up to be. And so I can just cut this in half and repress it to a double fold for what I need. So again, Tracy McElfresh, Tracy Sews, Dayton, Ohio. If you want to follow me on social media, I'm on Instagram and Facebook under Tracy Sews, TracySews. Have a great day. Bye.